Hey there YouTube, Ghost Jake here with you today. How are you doing today? I'm doing well. I know it's been like 2 weeks, maybe 2.5 weeks since I last posted a video. That is my bad. I've ate out plenty. Yeah, I just had some company with me, and so it made it a little harder to upload. I went to I got takeout today, and here's where I went to. I went to Burger King today, as you can see from the thing. Even though it's been, we'll start this in a sec. There's the actual food review. Even though it's been like 2.5 weeks since my last upload, I have used that time to catch up on the stuff. I have been to catch up on the TV shows that I have not been caught up on. So my TV show reviews and reviews/recaps can come back. I figure they can come back as early as the last week of April, because instead of watching something new, I found something else on Hulu that I'm currently watching that's really old, and so it'd probably be pointless to do reviews about them. Anyway, let's get started on this review. Let's start with the French fries. I did the 2 for $6. I got French fries. And like 2 sandwiches we can review. Let's start with the fries. I think they look pretty good. Myself, don't know about you. Okay, let's take a bite and take a look at it. Pretty good. They're actually really salty today, and that's kind of like what I like with my French fries. Burger King fries are a solid 3 to 3.5. Now let's go with the sandwiches I got out of the 2 for $6 menu. I got a spicy crispy chicken sandwich, and I got a Whopper. Let's open you up with one hand. And that's usually a little bit more trickier than it needs to be sometimes. And there is the chicken sandwich. And I got the spicy one because I love hot food. Let's take a bite of the chicken sandwich and see how it is. You can definitely see the spice they did, or they just deep fried it in, because that is kind of like reddish. A little bit of chicken went down the wrong pipe. Definitely spicy. I like that. And this spice has a little bit of kick to it today, which that makes it better in my book. That gets a 4. A 4 out of 5. Let's try this. Let's try the Whopper. Just the hamburger itself. Size-wise, the Whopper compared to the chicken sandwich, even though the chicken sandwich has a bite out of it, the Whopper is bigger than the chicken sandwich. So, just thought I'd let you see a side-by-side comparison. Right? Let's take a bite of this Whopper now. Okay, the Whopper is a solid 5. No, it's not a 5. It's a solid 3 out of... It's with the fries. It's about a 3 out of 5. But I'll give it like a 3.5, a little bit higher than the French fries. The best one today for me is the spicy chicken sandwich. Anyway, guys, this is Ghost Jake. This is Ghost Jake signing off. Have a wonderful day or night, depending where you are in the world. I'm sorry. It has taken me it's taken me more than 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks since my last upload. I'm sorry about that, but things should be starting to get back to normal a little bit more frequently. I shall see you guys all later. Bye.